Southern Federal University presents the cruiser concept of Russian Bagel. Russian Bagel was named due to its form, which is like the bagel. Cruiser, according to our concept, consists of two parts. The first part is torus, which is divided into different sections. Small sections with safe helium and big with hydrogen. It will be the ring platform on the bagel top. On its platform it is planned to locate the solar batteries of a large area and sails, as a way of passive control of cruiser flight. And also here reactive propulsions of Coulomb effect are located. The second part of cruiser is passenger and cargo cabin. It is located in the bottom part of cruiser. Under cabin there are reactive propulsions of Coulomb effect. On its roof it's planned to locate the platform with special devices for the coupling of cruiser and feeder, and also built-in saving balloons which can be used in the case of emergencies. Assembling of design elements of Russian Bagel. The offered design has important advantage, easy assembling of design elements. Assembling process will pass on the Earth, and it includes a few steps. The first step is assembling of torus framework on the Earth. The second step is installation of ring platform elements on the bottom part of torus. Next step. Torus sections are filled with gas, helium and hydrogen, and then are joined. Then reactive propulsions of Coulomb effect, sails and also solar batteries are mounted on the ring platform. At last the framework holding a torus is gradually taken out, slangs are revealed and all cruiser structure rises up. Docking Unimo feeder to the cruiser. According to our concept, feeder will be joined to a cruiser from above downwards. Feeder will fly up to the torus center and then it will be joined to cargo and passenger cabin with use of special devices located on the cabin roof and in the bottom part of feeder. Emergencies. At the maximum altitude as stated in MUD project can be various emergencies, for example meteoric attack which damages some section parts of torus. Our concept assumes as much as possible safe decision for passengers of such situation. The passenger and cargo cabin unfastens from a line and falls on the earth with the use of all saving balloons.